Hi guys, it's me, Shelfsters. So today I've got Sappy with me and we're gonna open up this kid's tool table. She has been dying to open it, so we're gonna open it. Are you excited? You wanna open? We can open. Oh, look at you. You like it? Oh, be careful. That stays on there. Good girl. I've got the links for the product right down below in the description box. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and demo videos. Thank you.